What if the AI you talk to could see the world through your camera, hear the emotion in your voice, understand every word you typed, and remember everything you've told it since the day you first met? That's not a tech demo from the year 2040. That's GPT-5. This isn't another incremental patch. It's a full rethinking of what an AI assistant can be. Instead of swapping between models for different tasks, GPT-5 is a unified brain, one that can switch modes in milliseconds, so you get the best possible answer without even thinking about which version you're using. It's faster, sharper, more accurate, and more human-like than anything before it. With a context window so large it can read and process an entire novel or a massive codebase without losing track, and with accuracy gains that slash hallucinations by over 3/4, GPT-5 changes the baseline of AI performance. And the most exciting part, it's not just responding to your text anymore. It's watching, listening, and adapting in real time. So let's break down the 7 GPT-5 upgrades that will change how you use AI forever. Section 1. The unified brain. Before GPT-5, using AI felt like shuffling between a row of vending machines. You'd pick one for quick answers, another for creative writing, another for analyzing images, and maybe a reasoning-heavy model for complex problems. Each had its own quirks, speed, and limitations. GPT-5 scraps that entire mental model. It's a single, unified brain with dynamic routing, meaning you don't have to think about which model to pick. You just give it your request, and under the hood, it decides the best internal engine for the job. There are 2 main power modes. Main mode, fast, conversational, and ideal for everyday use. Thinking mode, slower but incredibly deep, able to break down multi-step reasoning chains, do in-depth analysis, and even simulate alternative solutions before giving you the final answer. The invisible magic here is how seamless it feels. In the middle of a conversation, GPT-5 might switch modes several times without you noticing, ensuring speed where possible and depth where necessary. And then there are the mini and nano versions. These kick in automatically if you hit usage limits or need lower cost processing, but they still outperform GPT-3 and GPT-3.5 by a mile. Performance isn't just faster, it's more trustworthy. In thinking mode, hallucinations drop by 78%, and with up to 400,000 tokens of context in the API, around 200,000 words, you can upload an entire legal case history, multi-chapter book, or giant software repo, and have GPT-5 reference any part of it instantly. The result? AI stops feeling like a set of disconnected tools and starts feeling like one continuous intelligence that's always giving you its best. Section 2. Multimodal Superpowers. GPT-5 isn't just a language model, it's a sensory model. It can now take in text, images, audio, and even live video, all in the same conversation. This opens up an entirely new way of interacting. Imagine you're fixing your bike. Instead of typing a question, you point your phone camera at the gears. GPT-5 sees exactly what you see, recognizes your bike model, and walks you through the adjustment in real time. It might even warn you, tighten that bolt only halfway or the chain will snap. In live demos, GPT-5 translated French to English and back on the fly, matching tone and inflection. Generated website layouts from a spoken description. Analyzed microscope images for specific cell types. Guided a mechanical repair while watching a live video feed. Voice mode is now smarter too. It listens like a human, speeding up when you're talking excitedly, pausing when you seem unsure, even whispering back if you lower your voice. Custom GPTs also now support voice, so your specialized AI teacher, fitness coach, or project manager can speak in a voice tailored to their personality. And while GPT-5 can't yet generate original videos like OpenAI's Sora model, its ability to interpret and respond to moving visuals is a massive leap forward. This isn't chat with AI anymore. This is conversation, no matter the medium. Section 3. A coder's dream. For developers, GPT-5 feels like having a senior engineer working alongside you 24/7, one that never gets tired and never rolls their eyes when you forget a semicolon. It's not just about generating code anymore. GPT-5 can architect entire systems. You can describe the app you want, and it will plan the back-end structure, write the front-end code, suggest performance optimizations, integrate third-party APIs, In benchmark tests, GPT-5 generated over 400 lines of functional code in under 2 minutes. But the real magic is its background processing. You can tell it to run a multi-step build while you continue chatting about something else, and when it's done, it drops the completed code into the conversation. Partnerships with dev platforms like Cursor, Vercel, and Windsurf mean it's already integrated into production-grade environments. And because it understands dependencies, version control, and project structure, it's just as comfortable refactoring a legacy codebase as it is spinning up a new prototype. Thanks to mini and nano modes, you can run high-level AI coding sessions without burning through your budget, making enterprise-grade coding assistance accessible even to indie creators. The bottom line, GPT-5 is less like a code generator and more like a full-stack development partner that just happens to work at the speed of thought. Section 4. Personality and memory. Until now, every time you open ChatGPT, it was like talking to someone with total amnesia. You could have a brilliant conversation, close the window, and the next time, nothing. GPT-5 changes that with persistent memory. It can remember details about you, your goals, your preferences, and your projects across days, weeks, and months. You can say, "Help me prepare for my real estate license exam," and a week later, it'll pick up exactly where you left off, referencing past topics you struggled with, and suggesting new study strategies. This memory is paired with personality modes that dramatically change how it interacts. Cynic challenges your ideas, forcing you to defend them. Robot, ultra-efficient, no fluff. Straight to the point. Listener, empathic, encouraging, and patient. Nerd, loves deep dives into technical detail. These modes prevent the yes man problem, where the AI just agrees with you. Instead, GPT-5 can play devil's advocate, brainstorm in character, or match your energy level for creative work. Memory and personality together turn GPT-5 into a consistent collaborator. It's no longer a tool you use and put away. It's more like an intelligent teammate who grows with you. Section 5. Integrations and quality of life. GPT-5 now works inside your existing digital life, instead of floating above it. Through integrations with Gmail, Google Calendar, and Contacts, it can draft replies in your voice, schedule events automatically, and pull relevant background info before you even ask. Imagine opening your inbox to see replies already prepared, tone-checked, fact-checked, and ready to send. Calendar integration means you can say, "Find me a 45-minute slot to meet with Alex next week," and it will scan both your schedules, suggest the best time, and send the invite, all in one go. These are small conveniences, but in practice they remove dozens of daily micro-decisions. Quality of life touches like chat color coding, pinned threads, and smoother syncing between desktop and mobile seem minor until you're juggling multiple long-running conversations. Suddenly, you're not hunting for that one AI chat about the budget forecast. You can spot it instantly. GPT-5 isn't just smarter, it's easier to live with. Section 6. Safety and reliability. The smarter the AI, the higher the stakes, and OpenAI knows it. GPT-5's thinking mode is flagged as high risk for topics like advanced chemistry, biology, and engineering, meaning stricter filters, added content review, and sometimes limited outputs. Hallucinations, where the AI confidently invents wrong information, are down significantly, especially in reasoning-heavy contexts, but they're not gone. In high-stakes areas like medical advice, GPT-5 is much safer, but still not a doctor. Security has also been tightened. GPT-5 resists most direct jailbreak prompts, and OpenAI has hardened it against prompt injection attacks. That said, persistent, multi-step jailbreak attempts can still bypass protections. One big shift: GPT-5 is better at self-awareness of uncertainty. If it's not confident about an answer, it tells you, and can offer multiple possibilities, instead of locking into one wrong guess. The safety improvements don't just protect users, they protect the credibility of AI as a whole. But as with any powerful tool, the human at the keyboard remains the final safeguard. Section 7. Pricing and accessibility. Here's the part that surprised people. GPT-5's power doesn't come with a price hike. ChatGPT Plus is still $20/month, Pro still $200, but API pricing has dropped dramatically. Standard $125 per million input tokens, Mini 25 cents per million tokens, Nano 5 cents per million tokens. For perspective, GPT-4.1 quote, reasoning API was $600/million tokens. That's a 5x to 12x price cut. For similar or better performance in many cases, free tier users now get multimodal chat and reasoning access, with automatic fallback to Mini when usage caps are reached. No more abrupt "you've used your quota" roadblocks. This means cutting-edge AI is no longer a luxury tool. It's accessible to students, hobbyists, small businesses, anyone with an internet connection. By keeping prices flat and boosting capability, OpenAI is essentially pushing GPT-5 to become the default interface for knowledge and creativity. Closing. Real-world impact. Switching from GPT-5 back to an older model is like swapping a 4K OLED display for a grainy VHS. Once you've experienced the speed, memory and multimodality, the downgrade is jarring. It's not AGI. It won't replace human creativity or judgment, but it will reshape how we work. Developers replace stacks of dev tools. Analysts process datasets in one step. Creators draft, edit, and refine without leaving the same conversation. For casual users, the fact that free accounts now get multimodal chat and reasoning means the AI leap is available to almost everyone. This isn't just a new version, it's the new baseline. And the question is no longer can AI do this, but how fast will you adapt to it?